Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. In this video I'm going to show you how I did this look right here. I wanted to create a look using very fall suitable colors like reds, browns, and this is what I came up with. I really hope you like this look, and if you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. My brows are done because I already have a tutorial on how I do my brows. I'll link it down below in the description box. I first prime my eyelids using the Decay primer potion, but I let it dry for about a minute or so before going in with the eyeshadow. For this look I used the beautiful NikkieTutorials palette in collaboration with BeautyBay. I used the Morphe 507 brush to apply the shade Nikkie on my outer corner. After placing the pigment in my outer corner, I used whatever was left on my brush to blend in my crease. With the Morphe 506 brush, I took the shade 5M to deepen my outer corner. And again, I first placed the pigment where I wanted it to be. And then with whatever was left on my brush, I faded the brown into the red. With the previous brush, the one that I used to apply the red, I further blended the colors into each other and also extended the shadow in my outer corner. On my lid I applied the shade Aura and I used my fingers to apply it because I feel like with this formula in particular, it's best to use your fingers instead of a brush. In the outer corner of my lash line, I applied the black eye pencil from Sephora collection and immediately smudged it using the Morphe M149 brush. I applied a little bit of the Colossal Mascara by Maybelline on my upper lashes and then followed up with the Lush Beauty Lashes in the style Posh. I used my dual lash glue, let it dry for about a minute and then applied the lashes. Moving on to my face, I applied the Reboot foundation by Makeup Forever. I like that it's pretty lightweight and it's perfect for dry skin. For my under eyes, I first applied the color corrector, the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser in the shade Brightener. This is a light pink color corrector. And followed up by using the shade Neutralizer, and I used it to conceal my under eyes and also brighten the center of my face. I kinda prefer the sponge application lately. I feel like it's quicker and also leaves a more natural skin-like finish. I used my RCMA No Color powder to set my under eyes using a fluffy blending brush. For the rest of my face, I used the same powder but switched to a larger brush. To contour my face, I used the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette and applied the contour to my cheeks, my jawline, forehead. And a little bit under my nose and mouth area. For blush I applied the Makeup Forever Artist Face color. I have no idea what number this is because it faded, but it's a peachy, shimmery blush. The highlighter I used today is the Maybelline Masterchrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold, and I applied it to my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, cupid's bow and forehead. Oh, and also a little bit on my chin. To finish off the face makeup, I applied the MAC Fix Plus for that little bit of extra dewiness and setting. Using the same brush, I applied the shade Nikkie to my lower lash line. And I used the clean blending brush to blend the shade into my skin. I took the small brush that I used to smudge the pencil, and with no additional product on it, I smudged my lower lash line to deepen things out a little bit. With the shade Ivy from the NikkieTutorials palette, I highlighted my inner corner and my brow bone. For my lips, I started by lining them with a Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade 708, and I overlined a little bit in the center of my mouth. And as lipstick, I applied the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Give Me Mocha. This is such a beautiful shade for fall. And that's everything for today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below if you enjoyed it. And also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!